Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is to listen to life. It's time to go outside into the elements. It's time to go into your place of meditation, prayer, and not only just talk, but I want you to ask the right questions. Ask for wisdom, knowledge, understanding. Ask for the things that Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ has for you to learn or to know at this moment. When you have to listen to life, that means that there's a message for you that's going to help skyrocket you to the next level. My key or my advice to you is to work smart, not hard. Have you been seeing signs and symbols? 111, 222, 333, 444, synchronicities. This is the language of the universe. As we have English, Spanish, Korean, universe, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ speaks within numbers. So when you see these numbers, what are you thinking at that time? Focus in on the present moment, your present thought, and dissect what the Lord is trying to speak to you and say to you at the moment. I am attentive to the world and that is around me. Signs and symbols, synchronicities, guides me to my success. I listen and discover the way to eternal by understanding its language. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.